morning, children. So, we are starting all of you open your grammar, page number 68 and 69. Tenses. We will continue tenses, okay? Here, everybody on page 68. See. Now, do you plan to go out? That is interrogative. Again and again I tell you, interrogative means question. Does the lady need anything? These are all interrogatives. When do you all plan to come here? What does the girl want? Now write these sentences in the negative form. Now here. See children, you will have to write very neat and clean, in small and clean writing like me. See, the boy rides a bicycle, bicycle, to school. Yeah? This is a simple sentence. Now, you have to write these sentences in the negative form. So, if you want to make it negative, what you have to do? Here, the boy. Now, this is rides, simple present tense, and this is boy. So, does not. And with not, we have to use the main form of the verb, the root form of the verb. The root form of rides is ride. Does not ride a bicycle to school. Okay, are you understanding, children? Now second one. The girl cleans her room in the morning. Now the girl is she. So with she we have to use does. I have already taught you that I do, we do. You do. He, she, it does. So see, I'll explain you 3-4 sentences. The forms of do and does. First person, second person, third person. Singular, plural. Okay? Singular one, plural more than one. I. First person is I. Plural is we. Here, you, he, she, it, and they. Right? So, how I do. With I we have to use do. We do. You do. And he, she, it does. D-O-E-S. Very important. He, she, it does. And they do. Clear everybody? See now. The girl cleans her room in the morning. Now, we want to change it into negative. So, what will we write? The girl cleans. Cleans is a verb. The girl is she. The girl does not. The girl does not clean. Main form of the verb, clean. In place of cleans, we'll put here clean because this is negative. With negative, always the main form, the base form, the root form of the verb is used. Okay? Clear? The girl, that means she, a girl. The girl does not clean the room in the morning, whatever. Okay? Next. The baby jumps on the bed in a playful mood. The baby does not jump on the bed in a playful mood. They has come in. They, with they, what do we use? Do. So here, They do not waste food at every buffet dinner. Clear? Now here down they have given us, rewrite these sentences in the interrogative form. So we have to change them into interrogative, into questions. See, these musicians only perform at public functions. So now we have to change it into interrogative. So what will we write? Do these musicians only perform at public functions? Now musicians is a plural word, right? So with that we will use does. Do. Plural, isn't it? So do these musicians only perform at public functions? Then the flights from Chennai always reach late. Do the flights from Chennai always reach late? Because this is plural, flights. So you have to use do. He plays basketball every day. Now with he what do we use? Does. So does he, now main form of the verb, play. Does he play basketball every day? Question mark. Do not forget to add a question mark at the end. Okay? Now fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. The students. Now it is students. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. So it is plural. Students is plural. So what will we use? Students like reading fables. I like, you like. I like, we like. You like, you like. He, she, it likes and they like. So the students, they like reading fables. Next. Planets of the solar system revolve. Now, planets, plural. Here it is S, no? So likes, we will not use likes. We will use like. Are you understanding? પછી planets, P-L-A-N-E-T-S. And they have given us revolves. So we will remove this S. Here S is there, so here we will not add S. Revolves. Planets revolve. Follow? Like this you will fill in the blanks with the verbs. Mohan goes for yoga exercises every day. Mohan is he. I go, we go. You go, you go. He, she, it goes. Now Mohan is he. So he goes for yoga exercises every day. Neha always completes her projects on time. Now Neha. Always complete. So here there is no S, so we put here S. Neha completes her projects on time. Frequent bakes make delicious cupcakes. Bakes. S is here, there will be no S. Understand like that. Next. Now present continuous tense. Now the present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. When now, for example, Poonam madam is teaching English just now. You children are studying. This is known as present continuous tense. What we are doing at the moment. Here example, I am reading a novel. It is also used to indicate an action taking place at the present time, but not necessarily taking place at the time of speaking. Means something, see, for example, they are constructing an office complex here. It also is used to show an action that is expected to take place in the near future. The children are going on an excursion this Sunday. Form of present continuous tense. Children, this you will have to learn by heart. Huh? You should know. See, for a sentence in the present continuous tense, we write am, are, is plus ing form of the verb. Sometimes it is also called the present participle form of the verb. We add ing to the root form. Root form means main form, main verb. Okay? Are you understanding? Yeah. For example, play, playing, go, going, and get verbs in the present continuous tense. I am knitting a cardigan. I am knitting a cardigan. They are practicing the play. She is painting a picture. The tailor is stitching clothes. My family is enjoying the picnic. The minister is addressing the people. Now fill in the blanks with verbs given in brackets after you change them into the present continuous tense. Now they have given us she. We have to use is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. So with she we will use is. Trying. Try, main form of verb, trying. Yeah. She is trying her best now. Next, the man is driving a car. Alright, it is man, so he is. He, she, it is. Done. Page number 69. Okay, all of you open. My friend is suffering from malaria. The horse is galloping down the road. I am, see with I we have put M. I am solving puzzle. Now when, see children, if a verb ends in E, you have to remove E. solving, solving. The negative is formed by adding not after the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb like is, am, are, was, were. We write is, am, are or is, are, am plus not plus ing form of the verb. She is not drinking tea. This is auxiliary plus not plus ing form of the verb. Same way here, he is not exporting spices to Dubai. The interrogative form by interchanging the positions of the subject and the auxiliary verb. We write see, is she drinking tea? He question mark, right? Now is the auxiliary verb plus she is the subject. This is ing form of the verb. Right? Same way here. Is he taking rest? Auxiliary verb plus subject. Auxiliary verb means helping verbs. Do you follow me? This see, taking is also a verb. So auxiliary plus subject plus ing form of the verb. Now write in your classwork. This exercise I will give you on a paper because there is no space here. Understand? And you will write that in your classwork notebooks. All of you have made, no? Exams are on hand now. Start reading. Now Meena is washing clothes. So first we have to change in negative. With negative, Meena is not washing clothes. Question, is Meena washing clothes? Rohan is playing a football match. Rohan is not. With auxiliary verb, you put plus not. It will become negative. Then when you bring the auxiliary in front, it will become interrogative. Is Rohan playing a football match? Okay, father is relaxing in the study. Father is not relaxing. With all auxiliary you will put not, and then you will change them into interrogative. Verbs not normally used in continuous tense forms. Now these are the verbs which are not used in continuous. I am seeing her. Oh, that is wrong. I see her. See, the verbs below are normally not used in continuous tenses. See, hear, taste, smell, belong, contain. Like want, know, agree, believe, hate. Making ing verbs. We usually add ing to the root form of the verb. Clear? I explained you to get the ing words. Example, read, reading, stand, standing. If the verb ends with an e, we drop the e, then you have to remove the e. Share, sharing, give, giving. If the verb ends in ie, we change the ie to y. Example, tie, tying. ie will be changed to tying. Tying. Die, die. Dying. This ie will change to direct y. These are exceptions. This you have to learn. Now, when with some words we double the last letter. Example, begin, beginning, cut, cutting. Okay. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to show an action that has just been completed. Rina has just finished her food. That means she has eaten just now. It is used to show an action which started in the past and is still. Excuse me, children, 1 minute. Now, chalu rakho. Sorry. See. It will show you an action which has just started, just finished. The monument has stood here for more than 100 years. It expresses actions which took place in the past, but the result of which we can see or feel in the present tense. My uncle has got a teaching experience of 3 years. Okay children, we'll meet in the next video. Bye.